2015 Toyota RAV4. We will be replacing the neutral safety switch today. These are the tools we'll be using today. You don't need that much. Let's get ready and get on it. Yo, what's up everybody? Mr. Paul Valine here. You know, even I have to get on the greatest channel of YouTube and find out where parts are located if I don't want to spend all day trying to find out where it's at. But today, we're doing a neutral safety switch on a Toyota RAV4 2015. I don't know what generation that means. I'm not going to go put 2009 to 2022. Everything I look up comes up 4Runner. So RAV4 with this .5 engine. All the other videos show that it's on the side of the transmission behind it. A driver tire or passenger tire. I don't know what side the transmission is on. On the one I'm working on today, it's going to be on the driver's side here. And let me kind of give you an idea where it's located. Is behind the air cleaner box, the air filter box housing. So we got to take out the air filter, this upper thing out of the way, and the lower container that the air filter goes in. And you should be able to see it right there. And we're going to do that right now, and I'll show it to you. First things first for me, I'm going to go ahead and take off this sensor wire there. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the air filter. Let's even see what that looks like. Dusty, dirty. Oh yeah, look at that. Next, probably take this off, get a Phillips, and loosen the clamp for this upper area and pull that off next. So I loosened this, okay, took off the connector, and all you gotta do is twist and pull. And there's another sensor or something on the other side. Let's check it out. What is it? Nope. Gonna have to loosen that connection there. I'll have to grab a tool. Like this bad boy right here. Okay, we got that out of the way now. Next, we are gonna take the 210s out, and this should just pull right out. Let's see. It'll just come out. Yeah, there you go. But again, there's more wires connected to it on the side there, so you're gonna have to clip that one off there, right here, and then that'll pull out of the way, and we should be at the sensor switch. So even though it may look like it's difficult, it may not be. I don't think we have to take off that mount at all because there's plenty enough room. We're going to take out the middle nut and the 10 mils that are holding onto the safety switch, and I'll let you know how it goes. It can't be too bad. Okay, you notice I have my ratchet right here. I've held this spot from moving while I loosen the nut in the middle where this other side of connection goes to. And so I just loosened it. I'm gonna take the nut out and the shifter cable should come right off. Okay, so far so easy. I took the 12 mil nut off, okay, and I pulled this shifter lever out. So now we have to get in there. It's gonna be hard to see because the bolts are in there. We gotta take that 10 out there where my thumb is, and then on the other side, down right here, there's another one, which is easy to get to. I know it's hard to see, but we need to take those 210s out and pull out the neutral safety switch and see how hard that is. Okay, so check it out. This was easy. The only thing you have to do is get underneath there with the screwdriver right here and just pry. I did a little WD-40 right here to help, but pry lightly. Up here, up here, up here, up here, and you'll feel it go up, and just twist and turn it that way, and it'll come right out. And same process for the new one. This is what the new one looks like. This is the part number. Okay. And I'm gonna put it back on. All right, everybody, so this job is done. Beautiful, nice color on this Toyota RAV4. I want to thank you everybody for watching. Please like, subscribe, and join the channel. And I hope to catch you guys next time. Mr. Pauline is out.